The power of unity, understanding, stick by each other. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's all about loyalty, support, and unity. Stick by each other. This expression is not just about the words but the profound meaning behind them. So, let's unravel this together and see how it can be used in our daily conversations and relationships. Stick by each other is a phrase that beautifully encapsulates the idea of support and loyalty among individuals. To stick by someone means to remain closely supportive or loyal to them, especially in difficult times. It's about being there for someone, no matter what challenges come your way. This phrase emphasizes the importance of solidarity and mutual support. Why is this phrase so important? Stick by each other goes beyond mere words. It's a principle of deep emotional support and trust. It teaches us the value of being reliable friends or partners, especially when facing adversities. This phrase encourages us to foster relationships where people can count on each other, creating a sense of security and belonging. How can we use stick by each other in our daily language? This phrase is versatile and can be applied in various contexts, from personal relationships to professional environments. Here are a few examples. In friendships, no matter what happens, we will stick by each other. In families, our family has always stuck by each other through thick and thin. In teams or groups, to achieve our goals, we need to stick by each other and work as one unit. Learning phrases like stick by each other not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you understand the emotional depth of the English language. It allows you to express solidarity, loyalty, and support more effectively, making your communication more nuanced and meaningful. We hope this video has helped you understand the significance and usage of stick by each other. It's a powerful reminder of the strength found in unity and loyalty. Whether with friends, family, or teammates, sticking by each other is what helps us overcome challenges and thrive together. Thank you for joining us today, and remember, learning English is not just about the words, but the stories and emotions they convey. See you in the next video.